Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this soft lock tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just go ahead and continue watching. So here I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I normally detangle my hair in sections when I wash it because it makes it easier for me when I blow dry my hair. So I went ahead and blow dried my hair to make it easier for parting. Some of the things you're going to need are 6 packs of the Bobbi Boss New Locks, 3 packs of 14, and 3 packs of 18. You're also going to need some type of spring or passion twist hair, a big comb for sectioning, and also a small comb for sectioning. A hair oil of your choice. I chose to use these two: edge control, nail glue, a crochet hook, and also an edge brush. So I went ahead and attempted to part my hair myself, which ultimately didn't work out for me. So I had my sister part out the whole back side of my hair, and then I went ahead and did the front, as you're going to see in the Okay, I'm back now, and as you can see, the back of my hair is sectioned, and I just have a little small part in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and start just parting them out in squares and plaiting them individually. As you guys can see, you're just going to go ahead and continue to do that all around your head. Now that my head is completely finished, we're going to go ahead and begin our lock process. So we're going to start out with the spring twist hair. You're going to unravel it until it looks like this. Then you're going to separate that into 2 and then cut them in half. For the lock, we're going to start unraveling at the top by the loop to make it easier to wrap around the braid. We're going to start by crocheting the lock through the root of your braid. Then you're going to crochet your braid back through the loop of your lock. The next step is to begin to unravel your lock in the opposite direction and then begin wrapping it around the braid. You want to continue doing this until the end of your braid becomes invisible. So here I'm going to show you guys a better angle. So with this braid, we're going to repeat the steps that we initially did for the previous lock. Now we're going to add our 14-inch lock. Start by splitting the end of your 18 inches into 2 pieces. Then with your crochet hook, insert one of those 2 pieces into the 14-inch loop. Then you're going to tie 2 knots. After you tie the 2 knots, you're then going to wrap each side into the direction of the lock. Then go ahead and secure it with nail glue. Now it's time to wrap your lock. Crochet your spring twist hair at the root of the braid. Then you're going to take about 2 inches of the opposite side and wrap it in the opposite direction. Then you're going to start wrapping your hair from the other side in the other direction. It was after midnight, so I then decided to just finish my hair the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's currently the next morning, and I decided, wanted to have a little bagel for breakfast. So I'm gonna eat that, and then I decided to go ahead and pre-extend my locks to make things go faster. So I did the same knot technique as I used in the previous locks to extend them. I'm going to go ahead and extend all the locks that I'm going to be putting in my head. Now that I've completed extending all the locks, I'm going to begin crocheting the locks all over my head. I'm using the same technique as I used in the other locks, and I'm going to be doing that all throughout my head. So 7 hours later, here I am on my last lock. I did one more close-up for you guys so you can see how I install the lock and I wrap it. So now I'm finally finished with my hair. If you guys made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment your favorite heart emoji. So now I'm finishing this style off by oiling my scalp and also putting some hair mousse throughout my hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was my first tutorial, and you guys stay tuned for the next video.